Like he doesn't speak. He makes sounds. Frankie, how's your day? Did you take out the trash? Ah! Like the only person he talks to is at the other end of his phone, because that's all he does. All day, just text, 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 text. And it's funny because he's always like this, texting. And when he walks around, he takes little steps so that in case he bumps into something, it doesn't hurt. Like he's like the little vacuum, you know, and then, and then. When he's taking these little steps, he makes these sounds. And his tongue comes out halfway. It looks freaky, like he's trying to text with it. And I could totally understand my son standing in the corner for 15 minutes at a time with his tongue out making noises if he was a special circumstance. If he was, I'd hug him and love him the same, but he's not. He's a straight A student in his school. On paper, it says he's a genius. But at home,